Hello guys. Ayan, so lalabas kami. Pupunta kami dun sa saan ba pupunta namin? Sa chiropractor ni Daddy. Tapos may bibilihin lang kami. Then tabako na guys. So nagbawas naman ako ng kain ngayon. Kapag nagugutom, super kain. So, ano tayo today? Wala tayong suot na alahas dahil parang nagalahas lang ako pag white yung dress. Ayan, ano tayo today kasi ang daming mga sasabihin. Ang hambog na natin. Alam mo yung mga taong dapat masaya sila sa kanilang kapwa, kundi naiinggit. Anyways, ayan, ganda nito, Nautica siya. Nabili namin sa Rose or Roses, sabi ni Daddy. Bye. Ayan guys, so lalabas kami. Basura. May pupuntahan lang kami. Oh, ganda ng light. May light yung niya. Pupunta lang kami sa malayo. Yun si Daddy. Kuha siya ng kanyang mail. Ganda yung panahon ngayon. Hindi mainit. Nagkukulim-kulimlim lang guys. Tapos yung flower nandun. Oh. Bibili kami ng bagong flower. Mga gumamela. Diba?
I'll be right back.
Okay. Ayan, hinatid lang ni Daddy yung aking papel para sa medical. Nasaan ba siya? Ayan pala. Ganyan siya kabait guys. Siya talaga naghatid. Hindi niya na ako pinababa dito sa car.
You're so bad.
No. So, do you have advices to those who want like marrying a foreigner?
What do you mean?
Because someone asked about why is it you're so kind and you're good to me, and why other people are mean with their relationship.
Well, for one thing, I'm not a scammer.
Yes.
I didn't marry you for ulterior motives. I married you for love.
Thank you.
And I am very careful in my relationships with every person. I don't want to leave this world and face God with anger and hatred.
Yeah, you're right. So,
I don't hate other religions. I don't hate other peoples. Filipinos are my special favorites.
See.
Does that answer their question?
Yeah. So I'm gonna share this video so that they will know already. So that is the most significant answer. Char. We've been like having, when scam people are scamming us and trying to do bad things with their interest personally, and it's good that we both, what they call this one, we both compatible each other, that we like our hobbies, and I think they said soulmates,
Yeah.
So guys, to those who are still single and looking for a partner, maybe your special one still not yet born. Is it right? Would be fun. Ito yung police station dito guys sa Calabash namin. Maliit lang yung police station dito. I think sheriff office.
Oh, they're opening it. Yeah, so it must be gonna be a coffee house. It's too small to be in the house.
Yeah, maybe. It's an old Cherry Grove Beach. So we're heading to South Carolina, guys.
We're already in South Carolina.
Okay, we're already inside the South Carolina.
South Carolina's line is so close to our house, you can almost see it from the yard.
Yeah, because our boundary, you know. Boundary. So we're near in our doctor.
So in Philippines, how do you get to be a manghihilo? Is that a pass down from parents to children, the healing, or?
Some other are they pass down to their, you know, young one relatives, and some other are they have a dream of you know, having this dream that you are gonna be a healer, heal the poor and something like that.
Is it tied with any religion or no?
No, it's not that religion, but they are religious too. Like they are Catholic, so mostly Catholic. Manghilot, mostly Catholic. We are, I do believe, the Manghihilo.
Does it work?
Yeah. Remember when having my knee, and then Sir Luis together, he visited me in the hospital, and then I have the knee. I went to the Manghihilot, and suddenly I walk. Yeah, that's it. And even my stomach, I have a pain. He said that is not a food poisoning, it's something from your organ. That's why I went for what they call this one,
ultrasound.
Yeah, for ultrasound. That's right. Ayan, dito kami sa The Joint Chiropractic. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, let's go to, while we're here, we'll just go by Aldi's.
Ayan, pupunta kami guys sa Aldi, para siyang Arab. Dito, para siyang Arab lang. Ayan, nabili lang namin the bread, tapos may cheese, and then pineapple, tapos strawberry. O diba, at lilipat na naman kami kung saan namin. Ay, papunta kami dyan sa dun sa Lowe's. Ayan, bibili kami dito ng mga halaman guys, kasi gusto pa niya yung gumamila, ibang color naman. Parang uulan. Ito yung bridge. Ang ganda dyan. This is another road, right? This is not the highway that we've been.
Yeah, this one we always take.
Pass.
Right here's one where we turned and stopped and ordered our pizza that day at Mama.
Yeah, I remember. It's a Conway. Oh, it looks like Ayan, pauwi na muna kami guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.